Maximized bookings, higher revenue, dominating the competition. In a world where Airbnb hosts are fighting for visibility, data is your most powerful weapon. Platforms like Rabbu and AirDNA promise insights to help you rise above the noise, but which one truly delivers the edge? This video is the ultimate showdown. Rabbu versus AirDNA. Let's find out which platform is your secret weapon for success. But before we start, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. A closer look at the contenders. Rabbu entered the scene as an accessible tool for short-term rental investors. Offering a range of free features, it simplifies property analysis and portfolio management, particularly in the US market. For investors just dipping their toes into short-term rentals, Rabbu feels like a guiding hand, presenting opportunities that seem too good to pass up. On the other hand, AirDNA markets itself as the ultimate analytics powerhouse for short-term rental hosts and investors. It covers over 120,000 global markets, providing a treasure trove of data for anyone serious about maximizing returns. From projecting potential income to identifying market trends, AirDNA promises to transform raw data into actionable insights. But promises are one thing, results are another. Let's see how these platforms stack up. Market coverage and data depth. Imagine you're scouting a city for your next Airbnb listing. You're scanning neighborhoods, evaluating competitors, and searching for that golden spot that guarantees profitability. This is where market coverage and data depth come into play. AirDNA boasts an almost overwhelming advantage in this category, analyzing data from millions of Airbnb and Vrbo listings worldwide. Whether you're considering a beach house in California or a city apartment in Tokyo, AirDNA has the data to guide your decision. Rabbu, while more niche, shines in its focused approach to US markets. It's not trying to conquer the globe. It's laser-focused on delivering actionable insights for American investors. If you're targeting US cities, Rabbu's curated data could be exactly what you need to make confident decisions. But here's the catch. If your plans extend beyond American borders, Rabbu's utility dwindles, leaving AirDNA as the clear choice. Tools and analytics. Breaking down the numbers. The heart of any data platform lies in its tools. After all, data without context is like a map without directions, interesting but not actionable. Both AirDNA and Rabbu aim to simplify the maze of short-term rental analytics, each with its unique arsenal of tools tailored to specific user needs. AirDNA's arsenal. Rentalizer. Picture this. You've just found a charming property in a bustling neighborhood. How much revenue could it generate? With AirDNA's Rentalizer, you'll know in seconds. This tool analyzes historical data and compares similar listings to predict potential income. But it doesn't stop there. It also factors in seasonality and local demand trends, ensuring you're prepared for fluctuations. For hosts who crave actionable insights, Rentalizer is like having a crystal ball for profitability. MarketMinder. This feature reveals occupancy rates, pricing trends, and seasonality for any given market. Want to know the best months to raise your prices or lower your minimum stay? MarketMinder tells you. Additionally, it provides competitive benchmarking, allowing you to see how your property stacks up against others in the area. Armed with this knowledge, hosts can craft strategies that outperform the market average. Smart rates. Say goodbye to guesswork. This tool dynamically adjusts pricing recommendations to maximize revenue without sacrificing occupancy. By continuously monitoring market changes, Smart Rates ensures your property stays competitive. For hosts juggling multiple properties, this tool offers the peace of mind that comes with automation, freeing up time for other critical tasks. Rabbu's strengths. Rabbu's offerings are less about daily operations and more about investment and acquisition. Its focus caters to investors looking to identify, evaluate, and capitalize on property opportunities. Property Marketplace. Here's where Rabbu sets itself apart. It doesn't just provide data, it curates properties for potential investors. Each listing comes with performance projections, making it easier to spot lucrative opportunities. Additionally, Rabbu offers a streamlined interface that simplifies comparing properties across multiple metrics, from potential earnings to investment risk. Investment analysis. If you're wondering whether a property is worth the risk, Rabbu delivers detailed ROI evaluations. These reports break down cash flow, appreciation potential, and even financing options. Investors can make data-driven decisions without wading through spreadsheets. Portfolio management. For investors managing multiple properties, Rabbu's tools simplify tracking and optimizing performance. The platform offers intuitive dashboards that consolidate metrics, ensuring that even the busiest portfolios are easy to monitor. With this tool, scalability becomes less daunting for growing investors. For hosts managing an existing property portfolio, AirDNA's granular day-to-day data may offer more value. But for investors eyeing their next big opportunity, Rabbu's emphasis on acquisitions is hard to beat. Data accuracy, the truth beneath the numbers. Let's face it, no tool is perfect. Both platforms rely on algorithms and historical data to make predictions, but how reliable are they? AirDNA's accuracy. AirDNA's data is incredibly robust, pulling from millions of listings across Airbnb and Vrbo. Its projections, especially through the Rentalizer tool, are highly regarded. However, some users report that AirDNA's occupancy estimates tend to err on the conservative side. This means you might perform better than the platform predicts. Great for your bottom line, but tricky if you're relying on precise forecasts. The platform compensates with its extensive datasets, which cover global markets, providing unparalleled depth. Rabbu's accuracy. Rabbu, with its narrower focus, offers remarkably accurate projections for U.S. properties. Its emphasis on helping investors make confident decisions shines here. Rabbu's curated data removes much of the noise, focusing on actionable insights that align with market trends. However, Rabbu lacks AirDNA's depth for operational analytics, leaving hosts to seek additional tools for day-to-day management. While both platforms excel in their niches, understanding their limitations is crucial. Hosts looking for broader insights may find AirDNA's data breadth essential, while focused investors will appreciate Rabbu's precise, market-specific insights. Usability and accessibility, getting the most out of each platform. Even the best tools are worthless if they're too complicated to use. So how do Rabbu and AirDNA fare in terms of user experience? AirDNA's complexity. AirDNA, while powerful, comes with a learning curve. Its interface is dense, and the sheer volume of data can feel overwhelming to newcomers. However, for seasoned hosts or investors, this complexity is a minor hurdle. Features like guided tutorials and an extensive knowledge base aim to ease the onboarding process, but beginners may still find themselves swimming in numbers. Despite this, AirDNA's layout emphasizes customization, allowing users to tailor dashboards to their specific needs. Rabbu's simplicity. Rabbu, in contrast, prioritizes simplicity. Its free features are intuitive and easy to navigate, making it an excellent choice for first-time users. By focusing on investment and acquisition, Rabbu eliminates much of the complexity associated with operational data, creating a smoother experience. Additionally, Rabbu's user-centric design emphasizes quick access to key metrics, enabling faster decision-making. While AirDNA offers a richer feature set, its steep learning curve may deter less experienced users. Rabbu's straightforward interface, though less comprehensive, makes it a strong contender for those prioritizing ease of use. Pricing. Is it worth the investment? When it comes to cost, the platforms couldn't be more different. AirDNA's subscription model. AirDNA operates on a subscription model, with pricing that varies depending on the market size and data depth. For hosts managing properties in high-demand areas, the cost can quickly add up. However, the return on investment is often justified by the platform's detailed insights and analytics. Discounts for annual subscriptions can ease the financial burden, making it more appealing to long-term users. Rabbu's freemium approach. Rabbu, on the other hand, is a freemium tool. Its core features are free, with additional paid options available for advanced users. For those just starting out or operating on a tight budget, Rabbu's affordability is a major draw. Paid tiers unlock premium features such as deeper analytics and advanced property projections, offering flexibility for users as their needs grow. Which platform gives you the competitive edge? It's time to answer the million-dollar question. Which platform is better for Airbnb hosts and investors in crowded markets? Choose AirDNA if you manage multiple properties in different markets. You need granular data on pricing, occupancy, and market trends. You're willing to invest in a subscription for long-term insights. Your focus is on maximizing profitability through operational excellence. Choose Rabbu if you're focused on property acquisition and investment. Your operations are primarily in the US market. You want a user-friendly, low-cost solution. You're looking for curated investment opportunities backed by detailed projections. Both platforms excel in their domains, offering unique strengths that cater to specific user needs. The ultimate choice depends on your goals, whether you're diving into the details of operational management or seeking the next big investment opportunity. So, which platform fits your needs best, AirDNA or Rabbu? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos.